10 minutes in crypto alchemist. Lots of updates for you today. Firstly, we're going to go over to a program called Coincube. It's totally free. What you actually do is connect to an exchange through this program, and you build up a portfolio. You make sure that there's some Bitcoin in the exchange, and it will start trading for you on a bot. It's totally free. As you can see, I'm on 8.3% at the moment, fiat performance, and that's in 24 hours, so going really well. Just a quick run through, just very basic indeed. You can see there's all these exchanges here. The more exchanges you join up with, the better. I've joined up with the Bittrex. You set up the API key so it can trade for you, but it can't withdraw. Just make sure you take the withdrawal off. There is videos and instructions here on how to set it all up. So very nice to play with. You can select your portfolio. There's graphs telling you what's going on, what your asset allocations are, all the different coins that you're trading, and your performance chart. Basically, you have a generator, so you can choose between all these, top 50, top 30, top 20, top 10, and then you can set different allocations, equally weighted, market cap, rebalance the threshold, and fit allocation. And you can actually edit the asset allocations as well, so you can trade less. So it's totally configurable. It's a really great idea. You can trade on more than one exchange at a time. I recommend start just on one, and it's going really well at the moment. So if you've got money hanging around, rather than being in your wallet doing nothing, you can put it on an exchange and get this to work for you. I know a lot of people don't want to put money on exchanges, but with a small amount like that, it's on a big exchange. I don't think there's too much risk. But if it was safe for the exchange and guaranteed, I would probably put a lot more in there, because this is just a fantastic program. Okay, so that's just a very quick brief run through on this one. If you're interested, it's called Coincube. You can have a play around with it. You don't have to put anything in to mess around. Obviously, if you want to trade, you just put the trade on button there, and you can click it and put trade off. You can also liquidate everything, so it'll sell everything for you. And otherwise, if you don't do that and you close this off, you will have lots of coins that you've bought, and you won't know. You would have to manually go through them all and sell them, but it will do it all for you. Okay, so that's a really nice addition that I've just found. Now going over to Hextracoin, just give a refresh. There's news of the Hextracoin gold, also of it being listed on the exchange shortly, as it's only currently on an internal exchange. I'm not sure when it's going to be, but I presume it's going to be before December, hopefully. Currently trading at $17.19, so it's gone right up from its low of $9 a few days ago. I'm holding on to this one. I've got 89.9, as you can see there. I'm just going to hold them, and hopefully about $30 probably cash out. See how we go from there. Going over to Bitserial, this is a high interest yield program, so going very well at the moment. Put $200 in, currently at $86.87. I've basically nearly got, just reload. When that gets to 0.003 in about 20 minutes, I'll be able to withdraw that. Minimal withdrawal is 0.003. That pays out roughly $22 every few days. That's on a monthly program, so that's working out really well at the moment. Looks one of the safer ones. The interest rate isn't that great. As you can see here, the daily rate return is 2.8%, and as you can see, I've made successful 4 withdrawals, so going quite nicely on this one. I've also spoken to the admin here, and seems pretty good. Answered all my questions, and was very pleasant to talk to. So obviously he's taken my money, so so this is one to look at. It's still paying out, and I feel pretty safe with this one at the moment. The plan is to run for 45 days here. Deposit term 45 days. Total return 134%. So this is why I think this one has some legs on it. There were some people calling it the new Bit Petite, so we'll keep you updated and see how this one goes. Going over to Davorcoin, as you probably know, they're on their last couple of legs for round 4 and 5. Today we'll see the start of round 4, which is $1.08. Only 1.2 million coins available, or tokens, coins, and very, very, very difficult to get into. As you can see, I have some Bitcoin waiting there. When this 2 hours and 34 minutes are over, a little button should come up when it reaches 0 saying trade or something, just around here apparently. I've never seen it. I've tried a couple of times, I haven't got in. So if I don't get on this one, I will withdraw my Bitcoin, and I shall do something else with it, and find something I can buy something, because there's no point having Bitcoin in somewhere doing nothing. Although it is probably appreciating, hopefully, with the Bitcoin prices going up. But as you know, they didn't go up last week. They took a bit of a plummet, so they are going back up again, and it's looking a lot better. Okay, going over to gold reward. It's a bit of a double day, this one today. We've got 4 hours and 33 minutes until the last round of round 3 begins. So very, very interested in this one, getting some more tokens. I currently have 5,200 tokens. Quite a few, but not as many as a lot of people have. I do like this because they do actually allow you to draw them out to the wallet that you deposited from. So today is Ethereum only. Then we'll not be accepting Bitcoin because of the problems with it, and it would take forever to get through. So Ethereum only if you're trying to get in for the GRX tokens. I believe the maximum amount you can obtain is 2,000 tokens. So this is another one I shall go in. I'll probably buy another 1,000 tokens later on. Finally, just to say, Bitserial, which is another lending platform, actually went live today on Coin Exchange, which is absolutely fantastic. Started off apparently around $30 odd, and then it settled down around $8 here, and ever since it's been coming down. Just have a look now for you. Just do a refresh and see what comes up. Okay, well, it's going back up again. It actually dropped to a low of 31.00031,000 last time I looked. Actually, if we have a look at here, it should give you the all-time low. Yes, the low is, as you can see there, 0.00030038. So anyone who's got the Bitserial coins, as you know, you can only withdraw half of them. You can sell them freely on the market. The other half will apparently be invested either automatically, or you have to manually invest them into the platform. You can't do anything else with them. So I've already doubled, 2.5 trebled my money overall, and I've still got half my coins to trade on the lending platform, and by that time they could be worth even a lot more if the prices of these keep going up. So on the website they're looking at $50 as their target price. I don't think it's going to get there quite anytime soon, but at the moment they're currently at around $2.50, I believe. Yeah, around $2.37, $2.50. So they are starting to go up again. Been looking at the buy orders and sell orders. They've been all over the place, but it does seem to be stabilizing out, as you can see here. Okay, so that's it for this update. We'll hopefully catch you in the next one. If you'd like to subscribe, please do. Don't be shy, and we'll catch you soon. Bye for now.